All right, we struggled this morning to get some lights hung in the shop. Spent too much time doing it. Now we got DD Speed Shop going in the background as he struggles and fights with the tailgate. Now it's our turn to go out and work on the Mercury Comet. Let's get it. All right, now that we got the fender off, I can talk to you a little bit about this cowl vent bucket a little more. All right, at the front of the windshield is the cowl and it's the vent, and it allows fresh air to come into the car on both sides. This side, there's a heater box under here, and fresh air can come in directly through it, or there's on the other side, there's a exchange underneath the dash. You can open and control to let the fresh air in or out of, or block it from coming in. What happens is over time, leaves, dirt, debris get caught in that, come through that grill. Well, they go into what's the cowl bucket, which is the piece which is below this, okay, that your vents are actually hooked to. Well, what happens is over time, those leaves get caught right here and around this vent where it lets the fresh air into the car. And right here is where the water's supposed to drain out. Leaves block it, dirt gets in there, then they begin to rot, and they begin to block it even further where water can't get out, and then all of the leaves begin to accumulate around and in this area and stay wet and rot the car. So we're going to get in here, get all this cut apart, and we're going to show you what happens. There you go. All right, now that I've got it cut away, you can see up in here pretty good, or a little better. I'm fixing to take that body saw and I'm going to cut this out. Well, you can tell we've got quite a long ways to go. Nothing we can't fix though, but if you'd like to follow along, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and watch me turn this mess into this. And if you'd like to see other things on my channel and how I do them, go watch a video coming on the screen right now.